you an Egypt position. We are looking to hire a live-out housekeeper for a 5-bedroom apartment in New York City in Manhattan. The housekeeper will have to run errands, to take care of the silver services, and you can clean the apartment on a daily basis. We are looking for someone who's very detail-oriented, discreet, and he's flexible in his work. If you think you can fit your profile and you want to apply, please don't hesitate to click the link below. Thank you.
Enjoy this video, like it, and to be aware of our new job offers, subscribe and click the bell icon.